All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. I'm James McIntyre. I run the show here. So let's get started. What are we doing today? We're doing another review. Surprise, surprise. Another damn tool review. So let's get this camera turned around and we'll check it out. All right. So basically what we have here is a 20-volt Hypermax lithium reciprocating saw from Bauer, aka the Sawzall. It's $46.99. This is a 2-year review. When you buy this tool from Harbor Freight, you're going to get tool only. It says that right there on the box. Tool only. Which kind of sucks because now you have to invest in buying new batteries and the charger and the blades and everything. The only thing that comes in the box is the unit itself. It's variable speed, 0 to 3,000 RPMs. Let's see some of the other nerd facts. 1.8, no shit, 1 1/8 stroke length in the blade. The net weight is 5.99 pounds, so almost 6 pounds. It's 18 7/8 inches long by 3.5 inches wide by 6 1/8 high. The two things I really don't like about it is, number one, you only get the tool. You have to spend the money to get the rest of the stuff that you're going to need to operate the tool. My opinion on the blades is these Bauer blades are garbage. So you might want to invest in the Diablo blades at Home Depot. Those Diablo blades are way better. They last a lot longer. They're a lot stronger. They're in every way better than the Bauer blades. And the other thing is you only get the tool. So you're going to spend extra money. Altogether, I think I've got about almost $200 invested in this little unit. I could have went another route, and I could have bought another brand. I was looking at DeWalt, aka Stanley Pro, but I looked at Makita and all kinds of different ones, but this one was in my price range, and my wife saw the $46 price tag, and she said, get that one. Not really accounting for the fact that you're going to have to buy the charger and the batteries and all that stuff. So, but when it was all said and done, yeah, I could have went and bought a different one. But it's been a good tool. This thing has cut everything from car parts to as far as like the frame and body panels and stuff like that, to trees in my backyard. I cut trees down with it, which actually was kind of cool. And I did some construction projects. I redid my kitchen, my kitchen cabinets with it. But, I don't have any of that footage. But when those projects needed to be done, it was one of those things I didn't have time to grab a camera. And the guys I was working with didn't want to be on camera. So there was that. But anyway, I guess that's it for this one, guys.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to not miss any content like this, because if you don't subscribe right now, do it. You'll miss a lot of our content.